Today we talk about something special. We talk about the Brazilian way. Why does everyone love Brazilians at the World Cup? Brazilian fans are famous all over the world. But why? What makes them so special? Let's find out in simple English. Hi, my name is Giovana Reimer. Welcome to the channel. Before we start, I want to tell you something important. In this video, I will speak slowly, okay? I will use short sentences and simple words. This video is for beginners, people who are just starting to learn English. So if English is new for you, this video is for you. Don't worry about understanding every single word. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy. In Portuguese, we say jeitinho brasileiro. There's no perfect translation in English, but we can say Brazilian way, Brazilian warmth, Brazilian charm, Brazilian creativity. These words describe how Brazilians live, talk, and celebrate. For example, this is the Brazilian way of celebrating football. Simple, clear, easy to understand. Brazilians don't just watch the World Cup, they live it. Listen to this sentence. Brazilians don't just watch the World Cup, they live it. Now repeat with me. Brazilian fans sing, they dance, they talk to strangers, they make new friends, even without perfect English. Now let's learn 5 useful words. Word number 1, joy. Joy means happiness. For example, Brazilian fans bring joy wherever they go. Word number 2, passion. Passion means a strong love for something. For example, Brazilians have a lot of passion for football. Word number 3, crowd. Crowd means a big group of people. The crowd was singing before the match. Word number 4, celebrate. Celebrate means to feel happy about something good. Brazilians celebrate every goal. Word number 5, welcome. Welcome means to make people feel good and included. Brazilian fans make people feel welcome. Now, here are easy phrases for the stadium. Use them to talk to other fans. Phrase 1, who are you cheering for? Number 2, are you watching the match today? 3, that was an amazing goal. 4, is this your first World Cup? You don't need perfect English, you just need to try. Okay, now it's time to practice. I will give you a situation, then I'll give you the phrase. Listen first, then repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. You are at the stadium, you see a fan from another country. You want to start a conversation. You say,
"Hi, who are you cheering for?"
Who are you cheering for? Good job! You want to know if the person is new to the World Cup. You say,
"Is this your first World Cup?"
Say it with me. Is this your first World Cup? Perfect. Brazil scores a goal. Everyone goes crazy. You turn to the person next to you and say, wow, that was an amazing goal. One more time. That was an amazing goal. Yes, that's it. You want to invite someone to celebrate with you. You say, come celebrate with us. Let's say together, come celebrate with us. Excellent. See? You don't need long sentences. Short phrases work perfectly. A smile and a simple phrase, that's the Brazilian way.
Smile and wave.
Let's review what we learned today. Brazilian way describes warmth, joy, and creativity. Brazilians live the World Cup. They don't just watch it. You can say, who are you cheering for to start a conversation? And remember, you don't need perfect English, you just need confidence. Great job today! Now you know how to speak about Brazilian culture in English. Practice these phrases out loud. Say them again and again until they feel easy. Now in Portuguese real quick. Coisa curiosa sobre a Copa é que existem dois tipos de pessoas, as que assistem e as que participam. Quem fala idiomas consegue viver experiências completamente diferentes, né? Conversa com gente de outros países, faz amizade, pede informação, conhece histórias, cria conexões que vão muito além dos 90 minutos de partida, né? E foi pensando nisso que a gente criou uma condição especial durante essa campanha de Copa do Mundo. Você entra para estudar inglês e leva mais 7 idiomas inclusos na sua matrícula, além das aulas de conversação e do aplicativo de memorização. Se você sente que tá na hora de finalmente colocar o seu inglês para jogo, clica no botão aqui embaixo, saiba mais. See you in the next lesson. Bye!